Hey, hello guys, thank you for tuning in Techie Nets. Today we are going to discuss about Windows Update. So what is Windows Update? And is it mandatory or not? And is it important for your laptop? How to use it? And what are the features? What are the options available in Windows Update? So all this we are going to discuss in today's video. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, please to subscribe, click on the bell icon, like, share and comment. Where I can access Windows Update, how I can do that, I'm going to show you. So you can go to search, type Windows Update settings. So I have actually paused my Windows Update. So there is an option to pause. So if you see here, there is option to pause updates. You cannot disable Windows updates, just that you can pause the updates for 5 weeks. As of now, the highest timeline you can pause the update is 5 weeks. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to click on resume updates. So once I do this, Windows will connect to the server. So this laptop connects to that server and it determines what all updates that has to be installed in this device. Okay. So as you're seeing, the updates are automatically downloading, and once the download is done, it goes to pending install. So if you see, there is a update for .NET framework, which is something very important to run your operating system. And we have two updates related to HP. So these HP updates are mostly drivers because I'm using a HP laptop. And there is one more cumulative update which enhances the security of your laptop. And we have a display driver update from NVIDIA. This is not from Microsoft, it is coming from NVIDIA. And also we have a cumulative update for another cumulative update for Windows 11. These cumulative updates mostly fixes the bugs, enhances the security, makes your computer safe. So before I go ahead and install, I will show you few options. So update history will show you what all KBs you have updates, or what all updates have been installed in your machine so far. So in case if you face any issues, you can come back here and see. So if you see here, previously I had Windows 10 and I updated to Windows 11 few months back. So these updates are available here, and some advanced options are there. So uh, when you update the Windows operating system, it will go for a restart. So what time you can fix for the restart, and what is your busier time, what is your free time, all these options are available here. You can set it out here. And Windows Insider programs. So Windows Insider programs nothing but if you join this program, even before the updates or features are getting released to end users, it will be released to you to check and give feedback to Microsoft. So now all my updates are installed. I'm waiting for one more update to download and install. So what I will do now, I will restart the device and I will show you what this window looks after you have installed all the successful updates. Okay. So now that we have successfully installed all the updates, and the device is also restarted, and now if you see the Windows Update page, it's the message you see is you're up to date. Okay, the last check the time is 12:29 p.m. and there is no more updates to be installed. So now my computer is safe and sound. So even if I click for check for updates, it's going to say that all updates are installed and it is up to date. So my conclusion is, guys, Windows Update is a very important feature in your laptop. It keeps your laptop safe and sound and up to date. I hope this video would have helped you. Until I meet you in the next video, it's bye from TechieNets. Thank you.